Welcome to the Candle Business Coach Podcast, a show about the craft of candle making and small business. I'm your host, Kirsty Allen, and I'm a candle maker, mum of three, and kindness advocator. Join me as I dive into all things candles and small business and deliver advice and tips to you in episodes every Tuesday and Friday. Are you on the list to get my daily motivation emails? Every day I'll send you a message that is designed to help keep you focused on taking action toward your goals. Sign up using the link in the show notes. This episode is brought to you by my free ebook, The Candle Business Marketing Kickstarter Kit. Inside this free ebook, you'll learn to identify your blocks of time to dedicate to your candle business. Plus, there are several tips and tricks for re-engaging past customers and attracting new customers into your business so you can grow your business and reach your goals. Check out the link in the show notes for your copy. Welcome back to the podcast, my friend. I hope you're having a lovely week so far. So I wanted to talk about something that I get asked a lot about on my Instagram at Candle Business Coach is where you can find me and message me. And it's how do I sell more candles online, or how do I get more customers, or how do I get more sales, and how do I build my business? And I want to preface this episode by saying, although we are in business to sell our products, what we want to be offering our customers and potential customers is value. We want to be adding value into their life, whether that's through our social media posts, emails to our list, or actually when we're selling candles or products. So I think it's about just shifting the language between how do I get more sales to how can I provide more value to my customers and potential customers as well. So just a little note to take through this episode. So with that, let's talk through 7 different strategies on how we can generate more sales and add more value to our customers and potential customers. Number 1 is create a visually appealing website. So our website is the face of our business online. We want to make sure it's visually appealing and easy to navigate. Make sure that you're using high quality images of your candles, whether you take those photos yourself or outsource to a professional photographer, because our photos are what showcase our products. We want to make sure our website is mobile friendly as well. So whatever changes you make on your website, make sure that you're checking on your mobile that the look and the feel of the website is similar to the desktop or computer version. Number 2 is build a strong social media presence. So we know that social media is an excellent way to market our candles or any products online, and you can use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to share images and videos of your candles, engage with your followers, and even run promotions and giveaways. Make sure you're using the relevant hashtags and as many hashtags as you can to make it easier for people to find your content. Number 3 is offer a variety of scents and sizes. So different customers have different preferences when it comes to candles and diffusers and wax melts, for example. By offering a range of scents and sizes, you'll be able to cater to a wider audience. So consider creating seasonal scents or limited edition candles to keep things interesting. Number 4 is provide detailed product descriptions. So your product description should be detailed and informative. They should include information about the scent or the fragrance, the ingredients, the burn time, and anything else that might be relevant to your customers. This will help them make an informed decision and feel more confident about their purchase, particularly because the products we're selling you can't smell through the screen. So by using detailed product descriptions, you're able to help your customers feel a little bit more comfortable when they're making a decision between 2 or more different scents that you offer. Number 5 is offer promotions and discounts. Everyone loves a good deal, including you. So by considering offering promotions and discounts on your products every so often, it can encourage customers to make a purchase. You might want to offer a discount for first-time buyers in exchange for their email address on your email list, or even offer a promotion for a limited time. Number 6 is use customer reviews to your advantage. So positive customer reviews can be a powerful marketing tool, and you can share them both on social media, on your website, and even in your emails to your email list as well. When you have positive reviews and you're displaying them prominently on your website, it shows potential customers or new customers that other people have purchased your products, and it will help them feel more comfortable with making a purchase with you. On the other hand, responding to negative reviews in a professional way and using them as an opportunity to improve your products and your customer service is a really great way to grow your business as well. And number 7 is attend local markets and events. Now, I know that I started this episode by saying how can you grow your business online, but by attending local markets and events, it can actually help you connect with potential customers and of course generate sales. So you want to look for events that are in your area and are relevant to your target audience, and consider setting up a stall to showcase your candles and products. Make sure you have plenty of business cards, of course, and promotional materials to hand out to interested customers, because you just don't know where a potential lead can come from in terms of a wholesale opportunity or just someone who might want to place a bulk order with you. So those are just a few tips and strategies on how to sell more candles online. But as I said before, we want to add as much value as we can to our followers, our customers and potential customers before asking for the sale and before expecting people to hand over their hard-earned money before we've provided that value to them. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how you can sell your candles online, you can always message me on Instagram, or if you'd like me to do a website appraisal for your website, I'm more than happy to do that. Just send me a DM on Instagram as well, and we can arrange to set that up for you. I also wanted to mention in this episode that I've had a few people ask me what's going on with the Candle Makers Collective, which is my monthly membership that I'm in the process of setting up. So yes, it is still happening. I'm still setting it up in the background. Lots of amazing things are happening. I'm organizing guest speakers, organizing downloadables and resources and templates and things that you can use and action in your business straight away. It's just taking a little bit longer than I thought it would. And of course, I want it to be as complete as possible before I launch. You'll be one of the first to know. Of course, I will let my email list know and my social media as well as the podcast as soon as more details come to light. But if you want to join the waitlist, click the link in the show notes and pop your email in, and I will be able to let you know as soon as more details come to light. I'm so excited about the Candle Makers Collective, the membership, because it's going to be an ongoing space and place where we can connect as candle makers, as people, and be able to share our experiences on our candle making journey, as well as learn actionable steps and tricks and tips on how to grow our business both online and in person. So as I said, if you're interested in that, just pop your details, click the link in the show notes for the Candle Makers Collective and pop your email on the sign up forms so that you can hear when the membership launches, which is hopefully not too far away. So thanks for listening, everyone, and I will catch you in the next episode. Thanks everyone for listening today. I hope this episode added value to your candle making journey. Check out the show notes for all the links mentioned throughout today's show, and please subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss any future episodes. Thanks again for listening. Have a beautiful day.